Hey everyone! In this video, I want to explain exactly what you should do if your Apple Watch has a completely black screen, won't turn on, or refuses to charge when you plug it in. I'm going to show you several quick solutions that will help you fix this in the vast majority of situations. First, if your Apple Watch completely died or hasn't been charged in a long time, it's totally normal for it to take up to 40 minutes on the charger before it shows any signs of life. Just be patient and let it sit. As a quick tip, try to avoid letting your Apple Watch battery drain completely to zero in the future. Second, it is very possible that your watchOS system simply froze. In this case, you need to perform a forced restart. Press and hold both the digital crown and the side button at the exact same time. Keep them held down for about 15 seconds, or right until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Third, double-check your charger. If it's brand new, make sure you've removed the protective plastic film from the charging dock, as this completely blocks the magnetic connection. Also, take a microfiber cloth and clean both the back of the Apple Watch and the surface of the charger, as sweat and dirt can build up and prevent charging. Fourth, if your watch is completely dead and you're trying to revive it using a laptop USB port or an old 5-watt wall adapter, switch to a more powerful charging brick. When an Apple Watch battery is deeply discharged, it requires a stronger kick of power to trigger the boot up sequence. With these troubleshooting tips, your Apple Watch should turn back on in almost any scenario. If this video was helpful to you, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the canal and leave a comment. Huge shout out to everyone, and see you in the next video.